What's up everybody? The weekend's almost here and we're back with another video. Do you like pizza?
Yes, you do. We know you do. So check this out right after the intro.
Tired of cooking hot dogs and hamburgers while you're camping? We've come up with a special treat for me because I love pizza.
Yep. We're going to show you today how to make pizza on the grill, and it's delicious. So what we're going to do right now, we're going to get our mise en place. If you don't know what that means, then you need to check out this video. It tells you what that means. And check this out. All right, now that we have everything in its place, what we're gonna start out with is our pizza stone. This is a pizza stone that came with our STOK brand grill. It's very handy, and I'll show you in a few minutes how the grill works with this pizza stone. What we have next is Pillsbury pizza crust. All right, we're gonna open this up and set it onto the pizza stone. All right, we have our pizza crust open. What I'm gonna do actually is take some oil so that the pizza dough or crust doesn't stick to the stone. Spread that out a little bit. And I have already washed my hands once so that we don't contract salmonella. Right, Kim?
Oh, I don't even want to think about that.
Next, we'll open up the pizza crust. And what I like to do is shape the pizza crust to the stone and cut off any excess that we have. So now we have our pizza crust in the shape that we want onto the pizza stone, and per the directions, we need to pre-bake this for about 8 minutes on the grill. So we're gonna move outside to the STOK grill and do that now. Follow us outside. All right, now we're outside. We're near our STOK grill. We have our pizza stone and the pizza crust. And I wanna show you the grill itself. This grill is unique because it has inserts for whatever you want to use. So what we do is we have this little handy dandy piece right here, and we can take the center out if we want to, or we can leave it in there, which is what I like to do. So what I'm going to do now is par bake the pizza crust at 400 degrees for about 8 minutes to get it a little bit crispy. and we'll come back to you right after this. All right, 8 minutes has passed, and this is what we have at this time. Nice and brown. So, with the use of the handle for the STOK grill, I'm gonna pick it up and take it inside the house, and we'll see you inside there. The reason why we're doing this is because we didn't set a table up outside, so we're going in and out of the house. So that's the reason why we're going in there. All right, so see you inside. All right, we have our pizza sitting up, ready, and now it's time to put our toppings on the pizza. Check it out. First, our pizza sauce. I like my pizza saucy. Leave a little crust on the end for a nice looking crust. Next we have our mozzarella cheese. Next, we're going to use turkey pepperoni. We like to use turkey pepperoni, but if you like to use regular pepperoni, that's totally up to you. Next, we're going to use some sliced mushrooms. All right, now that we have all of our toppings, we're gonna take the pizza back outside to the grill and cook it for another 10 minutes or approximately until everything is nice and melted and golden brown and nice and crisp. So, once again, follow us back outside to the grill. All right, we're back outside at the grill. Put the pizza inside the grill. And we're gonna let that cook for approximately 10 minutes until everything is nice and done. Check us out right after this. Okay, we're back outside. Take a look. Isn't that beautiful?
Yes, it is. I'm hungry.
All right, once again, now that it's done, we turn the grill off. We'll take the pizza back inside and give it a taste. All right, we've got the pizza back inside. We're gonna let it cool for a minute and then we'll cut it up and taste it. Okay, we let the pizza cool just a little bit and we're about to cut it and see how it tastes.
that thing keeps on swinging? It sounds like jingle bells. Jingle bells, jingle bells.
This is still hot, so that's why I'm using this here. Alright, we'll get our spatula. Look at that melted goodness. Alright, Kim, try it out.
I'll take the smallest piece actually.
Alright.
They're very good. Nice and cheesy.
Very cheesy. Good. Crispy crust. Excuse us for talking with our mouth full.
And I didn't cook it. Woohoo!
Turned out really, really good. So, that shows you how you can make pizza on a grill. Just use a pizza stone. You don't have to have a STOK grill in order to do this. Any grill would do, just make sure you regulate your temperatures. So, on that note, we hope that you enjoyed this video. If there's anything else that you'd like to find out about how to make a pizza on a grill, make sure you let us know in the comments below. We want to thank you, all the people that subscribed to our channel just last week. We got quite a few people. We appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
We hope that you give us a thumbs up for this video, as most of you do. And what we're going to say is, here's hoping that you have
a wonderful weekend.
And we'll see you next week. Next week's video is going to be pretty cool. We are going to be at our very first Grand Design Rally, the Northeast Rally here in Delaware at Massey's Landing. So be sure to check it out. We're going to have a lot of footage to bring you for next week. All right?
All right.
Bye-bye.
Bye.